uninstall Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11, click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. In App Search, type Epic. Here you can see Epic Games Launcher. Next to it, you will see 3 dots. Click on it, select Uninstall and confirm by clicking on Uninstall. Click on Yes and uninstall the Epic Games Launcher. As we are aiming to uninstall Epic Games Launcher from our PC completely, so I'll show you what folder you have to access so that you can remove the remaining files of Epic Games Launcher from your Windows 11 PC. Here, simply click on Yes. After uninstalling from here, simply close it, then right-click on Start, select Run. Here you need to type a selected folder location. Simply copy this location. I have mentioned this location in the description. From there, copy this location and paste in Run dialog box, then press Enter. If you are getting the same error message, then the best you can do is simply remove the Epic Games Launcher and press Enter. Here, once you'll be in Program Files, simply type E and check Epic Games Launcher show up in here or not. If it's not showing up in here, simply go to the next folder, do a right click on Start and select Run, paste this location and press Enter. You might see files in here. Simply go back. As it's already selected, simply click on Delete and click on Continue. After this, you need to go in another folder location. Simply copy the location, right click on Start, select Run, paste the location in here and press Enter. Here you can see another files. Simply go to the Program Data and click on Delete. Select Continue. Next, we need to access App Data location. For that, open the Run dialog box and type App Data in here and press Enter. Here we need to search in all 3 folders. Double click and open it and search for Epic Games Launcher. Here you can see the folder, select it and click on Delete. Go back and do the same for another folders. Now go to the roamings and type E in here. We don't have Epic Games Launcher in these 2 folders. After this, simply click on Start and restart your PC. This will completely remove the Epic Games Launcher from your PC. If you'll get some kind of error while deleting the folder, it's best for you to restart your computer, then access those folder and delete Epic Games Launcher folder from there. Hopefully this will help you out to uninstall the Epic Games Launcher. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.